Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-November reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Geminis. To book a personal reading by me, you can contact me, you can message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura, or you can also click the link below which is given in the description box for both of my accounts. Okay, you can contact me over there. Alright, Geminis, what energies are we having for my Geminis? I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. This will be a love-based reading, but if we will get some other reading regarding your work, career, something like that, we will take those energies as well. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Geminis. Past energies, please. Geminis, what's there for my Geminis? Okay, the past energies are Three of Wands, King of Pentacles and Ten of Swords. I'm really seeing that, you know, that kind of weight which got over after some time. It was a wait for somebody who would come back. It was really, you were in this thing, you were very patient. I'm saying you were very mature. This person was as well very mature, very grounded person with whom you were involved, but you know, this wait got over, and no matter whatever you do, no matter how much time you are going to wait, this person was not going to come back. So this wait got over, and with the Ten of Swords, I'm really getting that thing. I'm not seeing betrayal. I'm really seeing moving on now. For Geminis, you know, it's not really tough for you, but yes, for some time you feel that, okay, I have got that space of mine. I have got that, you know, I'm alone, I'm free bird. So that is what you were getting, but you were waiting as well. You were waiting for that care, you were waiting for that love to come back, but it didn't. That person didn't showed up. And in your present energy, we have Five of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune and the Star. So this person with whom you are involved, okay, just before that we have at the back of the deck we have King of Wands. So we have two suits and two kings over here, King of Wands and King of Pentacles. So might be between two people you were confused. That is why, you know, you were waiting for somebody and you were not waiting. Basically you were just going on with someone else as well, plus waiting for somebody else. So these are two energies I'm getting over here. But the person for whom you were waiting, okay, so you know, the person whom you loved, it was a real deep connection from your heart. So that person really left you out in the cold. The wheel actually changed. I don't know why I'm getting negative energy for you Geminis, but this energy is looking as if, you know, the whole wheel turned in not your favor, in your person's favor now. And that energy is looking, you know, it's looking as if this person really loved you. Might be a Taurus or the earth signs, Virgo or Capricorn, but this person had a lot of love for you. It was like a care. See how this person is happy with this dog over here. these dogs are so loyal, and that is why I'm really getting that loyalty. Might be a loyalty issue because one person was so loyal and the other person betrayed, and after betraying, you are waiting for the same person. It's really hard to come back. So it's a wish, it's still a wish of you. Your person can be, it can be either ways, it's not always about you only. But yes, somebody over here, whosoever betrayed in this situation, now is left out in the cold by the person who was loyal, who loved you, or you loved them, whosoever this is. But now you are wishing as if something happened, or you are wishing like, oh please, some kind of magic please happen and just get me that person back in my life. The future energies are Knight of Pentacles, the Hermit, and Knight of Swords. So these energies are not very impressive, because it's really contradictory, because I'm seeing in the so in the coming month, I'm telling you, this is like 15 days. So in the coming 1 week, it will be like, not coming 1 week, around 10 days or so, it will be like in a hermit zone only. Hermit zone is the silent zone, where you are waiting for that person to talk to you, but nothing is happening, because you are just waiting, you are just not talking. Okay, you both are not talking with each other. That is what I'm seeing over here. Plus, with the Knight of Swords in the end of the month, there is a communication for which you are waiting, or you are going to do that communication, because I'm seeing that you are moving towards something over here. So you are running. So you are going towards that person to have a talk. Let's just sit down and let's just share our problems, whatever we have. Let's just do this. Okay, that is what is happening. I need to clarify some cards over here. Let me see. Why the King of Wands is here? Queen of Wands, okay. And the Five of Swords. So it was like a really big fight with your with your queen or your king, whosoever. One might be a Leo or Aries or Sagittarius, but it does not matter about the signs. But it is a very fiery, when fiery situation, like it was a fight, and it was a proper fight. That is what I'm seeing over here. It was a big fight, and you both in different directions you went, and it's looking now one is wishing now for one to come back. Please, I'm waiting for you, please come back. But let me see whether this person is going to come back or not. Why the King of Pentacles is here? Let's clarify. King of Pentacles, please. I'll take this card and this. Four of Cups and the Hierophant. This might be a marriage as well. You both are apart from each other now, married to each other, but emotions are lost. These are less emotions, these are rejections, not ready to talk. One is really pissed off out of you two because of that betrayal. That pissing off is, I think that is a justice kind of a pissing off, like it's fine, okay, because this betrayal is not one which is which will get an apology, because it's too far. It's like, oh my god, that is what it is coming. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here in the middle of the reading, in the present energy? King of Cups and Six of Cups. I'm really getting this energy that either you or your person, there's past involved in the situation. Somebody else, like okay, this is the scenario that you both are, you are married to someone, or you are in a very beautiful relationship with someone, but all of a sudden somebody's past comes up. Okay, it might be you or might be a person, and your past has come up, and that is why the whole wheel has turned because of the past situation. A Scorpio might be, which has come again in your life or your person's life, and that is why this is that problem. And now it's looking as if, after that problem, after that, like if you even have talked, or your person have talked to this old person, that is why the problem actually started. And the person who did this thing is actually guilty, so do not, I really feel that. Okay, so this person is guilty, whosoever has done this thing, and now is wanting you to come back, or you are wanting them to come back. You are wishing, the wishing star. This is the wishing card of the deck. Why the Knight of Pentacles is there in our future energies? Three of Wands. Oh my God, Three of Wands, both. Three of Wands. It's really looking as if the wait is not going to be over. Apologies, not going to be accepted. No, not this time. I'm really seeing that, with the Knight of Pentacles always has an apology. They always come up with an apology. They are the slow runners. They are the not doers. Okay, they do not do anything. They just come up with the sorry, that I'm sorry, can you please forgive me? No, it's a no. I really feel that. No, I cannot. So many things happened, and again I'm seeing the arguments are happening again and again and again, but no solution is coming up. Okay, so what signs do we have? We have Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, Taurus, Scorpio, Capricorn, Aquarius again, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, so that is all from my side, my Geminis. I hope this helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.